Leg day ka ng leg day. Mag-upper body ka din naman, sister. As a personal coach, ganito yung madalas kong naririnig kapag nalaman ng mga kliyente kong babae na upper body kami today.
Coach, ayaw yan. Coach, gusto lang tayo.
Pero let me tell you that training upper body is just as important as training the lower body. And I'll tell you some benefits of it. It improves overall strength and posture and aesthetics. Kasi pantay na tone yung katawan mo, hindi lang yung legs. Kasi 'di ba, ikaw gusto mo bang legs lang ang tone sa'yo? And number two, improves strength and daily functionality. Kung malakas din ang upper mo, yung mga everyday tasks makes a little bit easier, like yung carrying groceries, lifting children, or even magbuhat ng galon ng tubig. Mas nagiging functional ka kumbaga. And number three, it boosts metabolism and promotes fat loss. Syempre kung pati upper tinetrain na tinatarget mo, mas madaming muscle ang ire-repair ng katawan mo, promoting a metabolic boost. Given na nakaka-recover ka ng tama, nakakakain ng maayos at may sapat na tulog. At syempre sa panahon ngayon, hindi sapat na maganda at sexy ka lang. Dapat strong ka din. Kaya next time, kung pupunta ka sa gym, mag-upper ka naman. Pero kung wala kang program or hindi mo alam yung gagawin mong mga workout sa gym or someone na naghahanap ng personal coach, pwede mo akong message para matulungan kita. Salamat.